Hey guys, it's Alex here, and today I'm going to be doing a prom vlog or a get ready with me or whatever. It's just going to be a mixture of things. I literally am still in bed. Like, what is it? It's 10:45 in the morning. So, I'm just chilling. Pretty much all I have to do today is go to my hair appointment, and then I'm doing my own makeup. I don't know, I've always done my own makeup for like dances and stuff because I don't know, I just know I know what I'm comfortable with on my face. Like, I don't want someone else messing with that. So I'm gonna be doing that. Also, this isn't my prom, this is my boyfriend's prom. I am in college and he's a senior in high school, so that's that. I don't know what I'm doing for any of my looks today. I'm kind of just going with the flow. It's kind of cloudy out. I feel like it's gonna rain, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know if I'm actually gonna vlog during prom just because that'd just be weird. Maybe I'll insert pictures or videos at the end of this video or whatever, but yeah, it's just gonna be fun. I didn't do this for my senior prom, so I feel like it would be fun to do it for his prom since I am still doing all the same things and going through the routine and stuff. Also, that's my dress. It's just red. It's a two-piece, as you can tell right there. So yeah, I'm gonna shower this morning and maybe dry my hair out before my hair appointment because I had work last night and it's just I just kind of feel gross. So yeah, I already got my nails done. I got them done yesterday. They're just white and she put sparkles on them or whatever. And I also already got my eyebrows done. They're looking a little funk because I just woke up, but once we have the makeup on, they should look better. Fingers crossed. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say for now. This is gonna be pretty boring until it gets up to the getting ready part. So that's all I have to say for now, but yeah. So my camera keeps muffling out because it is a big camera, and I keep covering the microphone of it because I don't know where my tripod went. Where is it? Pretty much I'm going to get my hair done. I don't really know what my expectations are just because I've never worn my hair down for prom, so I don't know. I'm not too worried about it. I can always fix it. I've done that before where I've had hair disasters and I've had to come home and fix it. So honestly, I'm not worried about it. So I guess I'll just get back to you guys after my hair appointment, and I'll probably be doing my makeup at the time. So yeah, see you guys then, I guess. So I look so dumb. So I just got my hair done. It's just a braid down the middle, and then the rest is just down and curled. I'm waiting for it to fall because it's a little bit too curly right now. But anyways, so I got that done. I forgot to start filming me doing my makeup because, as you can tell, I already started my foundation and I look literally ridiculous. So we're gonna set this up here, and I guess you can just watch me. Maybe I'll put this in slow-mo or something. I'm just trying to figure out the camera sitch. I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I'm just working on my foundation right now. I have a fake tan, so I'm having some troubles. But we'll figure it out. So I'm not gonna be talking. I'm just gonna put this in fast motion or whatnot, so don't mind me. Hey guys, so wow, why do I look pale? I was gonna do a montage of me doing my makeup, but my camera keeps saying the card is full. Also, I look crazy because I just did my eye makeup. So yeah, the camera keeps saying the card is full when I'm trying to do a montage. So I'm just gonna kind of update you guys. I just finished the eye look. I look a little funky because I don't have eyeliner or mascara on, so I'll just keep you guys updated. I'll show you the completed look. I'll show you my boyfriend Aiden and stuff if I remember. So yeah, for now that's gonna be it. But yeah, so here's the updated look. I just have foundation and concealer and my eye look on. Okay, so here's the completed look. Literally, it took me about an hour to do my winged liners. I literally was on the verge of tears because I couldn't get them even. They're still not even, but we're just gonna go with it. I'm really glowing. I put some like highlight on my collarbones and stuff, so in the light it'll look really cute, and on my shoulders. So for now, this is the hair and makeup. I'm just gonna do some quick touch-ups before I get my dress on, and we're gonna be good to go.
Say, are you gonna give up someday? Are you gonna grow up someday?